Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I have so much to share with you guys. I received different products in the mail. Finally, I know, because we are already more than mid of the month already. So I received my Ipsy. This is a Glam bag plus. This is the one that costs $25, so you get 5 full-size items. I also received my pop-up. As you know, that is a store that is open for 72 hours. I didn't mention that in my other unboxing. I was able to play with the new Natasha Denona palette. So I did my eye makeup look using this palette, so I just can't wait to share that with you guys, but I'm going to talk about this in another video. Also, Jackie's chocolate. Look how this came in here. I love that the chocolates came with an ice bag there to protect the chocolates. I was so impressed how quick they came, and I'm going to share them with you guys so you guys can see exactly how they look like. I was wow and impressed how those chocolates came. So open the Ipsy Glam bag. This is how it looks like. This is the back part. Once I felt like I was spoiled with the $50 one, the Ipsy Glam bag Ultimate, because the softness and the quality of it, I feel like it was so much different. This one is more like a I don't know, it seems a little more rough, but I do feel like it's going to be more sturdy. I don't know. So inside the bag, the first thing I see is Nature's Cartel. Look at the packaging. This packaging is really pretty. Eyeshadows, as you know, in my other unboxing I also got some single eyeshadows, but these are different. The other ones I received were loose pigment, but these were not loose pigment. These are very creamy, and that's how the swatch look at that. I just don't like the scent too much, but I feel like if you just want to create a makeup look on the go really quickly, you could just use that. Look how easy that was. Let's try the 90s nude, but they're all, I believe, shimmer shades, so it will just be like, just dab that in and you're ready to go. Oh, that one is real dark, and I love that if you want, just swatch once again and it will intensify a lot more. So I don't know, at first I was like, oh, creamy texture, but now playing with it a little bit more, I like all 3 shades, and I think it will make any makeup on the go a lot quicker. So that was the first item that I got there. To be honest, I would prefer a palette. Yes guys, I would prefer a palette, and I was sad that some people got the Huda Beauty palette, but I prefer palettes. So next I got this product. This is called Thrive Cosmetics. I love that. Let's see how that works in the corner of the eyes, because I forgot to put something there. So it has a lot of information inside, so I think you could just open it, and it just gives you pro tips inside too. So let's go ahead and try to do the corner, and I didn't even do the brow bone either. I do like the convenience of it because it's more like a pencil, so that I like. I just wish it was a brighter, lighter color, especially for that spot right there. So not bad, and it feels very soft and creamy, so I didn't struggle applying that at all. Next I got Pure Leaves. Finally I got a regular size from Ipsy. This is Pure Leaves. This is a Blue Lotus 4-in-1 cleansing milk. I don't know how many cleansers I'm gonna need, but I do like that. I do like this brand, and it says 4-in-1. So what I do like, I have been trying this brand for a little bit now, and I do like that even though I have sensitive skin, it works really great to remove makeup, and yet it leaves your skin really soft. The Blue Lotus is actually known for the antioxidant, which is anti-inflammatory, and it has those are the great benefits for your skin. That's why I don't break out either. White tea helps rejuvenate the skin. So great ingredients. I really like this brand, so I'm not mad about that in this bag. The product that I got is High Def. I forgot I even got a mascara. I used a different one, and this is how it looks like. So I don't know guys. Oh, look how thin that is. I think that would be perfect for the bottom. I struggle more there, and also in the corners. So I like that this is more precise. It's very different than the other ones that I do have. And last, you guys are gonna let me know one thing. I test this out today. I got the Tarte. This is what I am very happy that I got in this bag. This is Tarte, the High Performance Natural Shake Tape Setting Powder. So what I did today was I only did half of my face. So on this side, you're gonna see that I have the powder, and the powder, look how cute this is. It comes with a mirror. This is so cute and so soft. I did not use it because I think it's so cute and soft, and the powder is like right there. So I just use my sponge and I put that here on this side of my face. So on this side of my face I have the Tarte setting powder, and on the other side of my face I'm using the same powder that is almost finishing. Look at that, it's almost finishing. And this is the Becca. I got this from BoxyCharm. I love this powder, it's so cooling. This is the Hydra Mist Set and Refresh powder. So on this side I have this powder, and to be honest I feel like it's illuminating more, it's highlighting more this area with the powder. I didn't do anything different, so I wanted to test it out to see if this is a good powder, and I'm really impressed how different this area looks. And this is where I applied this powder, and here I applied the other one that I normally use. So I'm impressed with this powder, and I'm glad that I got to get it and try it. So this is all the 5 items that I got from the Ipsy bag, and I'm going to show you what I got from the pop-up store. That only opens for 72 hours, so be on the lookout because soon there's gonna open a different one. And this is what I purchased for $20. What do you guys think for $20? I think a $20 palette, it's cute. So it comes with the amethyst, the purple one, which that's my favorite color. It comes with some brushes. This is Be Beautiful by BU Farah. And it comes with, oh look, I got another loose powder. I just got some of these, hopefully it's not the same shade. I just got this one, the loose pigment, in my ultimate bag. Look how cute this is. This is Nomad, a Kiss of Sun, a highlighter. Look how cute this packaging is. Got lucky that it was available again. So this is the highlighter. Oh wow, look at that. So it came with this cute highlighter. I love the packaging. And what else? What's the tea? Iced Tea Eyeshadow Mini. How cute is this? Oh, look at that. Look at that shade. Oh, that's a cute shade. An eyeliner. And guys, I was so excited to get this. I opened it. As soon as I got my package, I was like, I just can't wait to get and go inside and look at it. And once I opened it, look how it came. I'm even scared to tilt it because it might just fall off. Oh yeah, some pieces, look, it's already coming off. See, the top part is coming off. So I contacted customer service, letting them know that my package came messed up, it came damaged, and because that item got sold out, all they could do was refund me a little bit of the money just for this alone. So I don't know how I'm gonna be able to use that palette. I'm sad because that was a pop-up item and I don't know what to do with that. I don't know. Let me know in the comment section what you guys think I should do, but I did contact them and that's all they could do since it was sold out. So that is everything for Ipsy and the pop-up store. And now I'm going to show you guys the chocolate, and I'm going to show you guys in a different setting so you guys could see more of the chocolate, but I just can't wait to try them too. So guys, stay tuned and keep on watching. I just tried the first one. That is really cute decorating. OMG, that tasted so good, so good. It wasn't heavy or anything like that. So now I'm gonna try another one. I just cut this one. I keep grabbing the cute ones. And inside, I'm gonna show you, look how they are inside. That one tastes like a soft caramel. So far I am loving these. I think so far the first one, oh my gosh, I have been wowed by that one. I tried the orange one. I didn't like that one too much. Now I just ate the one that has the raspberry inside. This one I prefer even more, but I think it all depends on your taste. Chocolates, I could eat them all day. I love chocolate, and what I love is that they don't feel heavy at all, and I love the packaging too. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. This was such a different unboxing, so Thank you guys for watching. Any information I'll leave down below so you guys could check them out. And I think it will be such a great treat to send to a family member, to a friend, and they will take care of that. So thank you guys for watching. Until the next video. Bye.